Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Anyway, let me just flip this box over and Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I figured I'd come at you guys with a little update for the truck. So I ordered a brand new radio for it. There was nothing really wrong with this one. It was just getting a little out of date. And I like to stay as in date as possible, if that makes any sense. So we got this AVH 601EX, so that should be an upgrade to what I have right now. It's an AVH 1330 NEX. Hoping this one's nicer. It's like selling still for about 400 bucks at Best Buy. I picked it up on eBay brand new for $200. Yep, it's not old, it's literally brand new. Everything, haven't even taken anything really out yet. So it comes with the typical remote, like all these do. Got some, oh, that's actually nice. It came with screws. We got a little microphone here. I am definitely going to replace the microphone, hoping that they got a little better. I wish we could have two. That would be really nice. Like 2 microphones. And brand new USB. Come right out of there. So we're going to get cracking on this because that'll be nice. And I think I'm just going to put you guys on a time lapse. I got the case here because I hate using the GoPro 8 out of the case, because the entire case, well, not the case, but the actual screen isn't replaceable on these new ones, and that's kind of doesn't really help me out, since all the stuff I use is always pretty hands-on. But anyway, let's finish unboxing this. Some more stuff here. Doesn't seem like it's an old radio. I think they came out about a year ago. So in my book, that's pretty new. It's like getting an iPhone 11 now. Even though I'm still rocking a 6S. Let's put you guys in here. I got the filter on. Tell me what you guys think. So we're gonna put the old radio into here. What I like about this radio, I hope you guys can hear me by the way with that case on it, but what I like about this radio is the fact that it's a full 7-inch screen, so you don't lose anything, no picture quality or anything like that. Put that right there. And if I don't end up selling it, I might see if one of my buddies back home wants it, my old radio. It's really not even that old. Start taking apart the dash.
darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to
let's set this up. Hopefully this isn't too hard to do. Connection. Here we go. Connecting on my phone. Pair. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Mine did not have that last time. Yeah, we got some fixing here to do.